India's BFSI sector is transforming at lightning speed, driven by digital innovation, the FinTech revolution, and bold regulatory support. From metro cities to Tier 3 towns, Indians are embracing new ways to bank, insure, invest, and transact. With rising smartphone penetration, booming internet use, and a massive demand for financial inclusion, now is the perfect time to start your BFSI startup. In this video, we'll explore 10 high-potential BFSI startup ideas for the Indian market, what each idea solves and who it serves, business models, market size, scalability, and profit margins, investment potential, and long-term growth trends, and finally, how we, Market Research Universe, MRU, can help you. Let's dive in. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Idea 1. Digital lending platform for MSMEs and gig workers. India's MSMEs face a credit gap of over $100 billion. This platform enables freelancers, gig workers, and small businesses to access credit digitally. The target audience includes MSMEs, freelancers, and gig workers. The business model is based on commissions from lenders and processing fees. Scalability is pan-India via mobile and web. The profit margin is between 15 and 25%, and the investment scope is medium to high. So, idea 2 is a micro-insurance aggregator. Insurance coverage in rural India is still, alarmingly low. This startup aggregates affordable micro-insurance policies for underserved populations. The target audience here is low-income groups and rural families. The business model is pretty straightforward, commission from insurance partners. And well, the market size is huge with over $100 billion gap in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Profit margins are generally between 10 to 20%. Plus, the investment scope is low to medium, making it quite accessible. Alright, so here's idea number 3. An AI-powered personal finance app. You know, young Indians often struggle with budgeting and investing, right? Well, this app uses artificial intelligence to help users automate their budgets, save smartly, and just manage their money better overall. The target audience here is Gen Z and salaried millennials. The business model is actually a mix of freemium, subscription, and affiliate commissions. The market size is huge. Over 200 million digital-savvy youth. Profit margins typically range between 20 and 35%. And by the way, the investment required is medium. Now moving on to idea number 4, buy now, pay later, or BNPL for Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Credit card access is still pretty low beyond the metros, but spending power is definitely growing. A BNPL platform allows youth and students to shop now and pay later. The target audience is students and new-to-credit youth. The business model relies on merchant commissions and late fees. The market size is over $45 billion. Profit margins generally fall between 18 and 30%. And just so you know, the investment scope here is high. RBI's account aggregator ecosystem supports such ventures. So, idea number 5 is a peer-to-peer lending marketplace. Retail investors are always looking for better returns, right? And at the same time, small borrowers need accessible loans. This platform, well, it connects them directly. The target audience here is urban investors and micro borrowers. The business model relies on a platform fee plus an interest spread. The market size is expected to reach $10 billion by 2030. Profit margins can range from 15 to 25%. And the investment scope is medium to high. Licensed under NBFC P2P by RBI, this is a legit scalable model. So here's idea number 6, a blockchain-based KYC platform. You know, banks and NBFCs spend a ton of time and money on repeated KYC processes. This solution, honestly, uses blockchain technology to make KYC way more secure, much faster, and totally reusable. The main target audience? Well, that's banks, NBFCs, and FinTech companies. The business model is pretty straightforward, a SaaS subscription plus API access. The compliance tech market size is over $1 billion and profit margins are usually between 30 to 40%. Just keep in mind, the investment required is on the higher side, since this is definitely a deep tech play. And with government blockchain support coming in, it's really a future-ready product. Next up, idea number 7, a digital gold investment platform. Indians actually buy about $60 billion worth of gold every year, and honestly, most of that happens offline. A digital platform would let people invest safely and even fractionally in real 24-karat gold. The target audience here includes middle-class investors, rural buyers, and women. The model works through transaction fees and storage fees. The market potential is high thanks to growing mobile penetration. You can expect profit margins in the range of 15 to 22%, and the investment needed is, well, medium. So, you can actually use sovereign gold bonds and digital locker to add value. All right, let's talk about idea 8, InsurTech for health and wellness. Healthcare costs are rising, and honestly, it's something a lot of us are worried about. This startup combines health tracking with insurance, rewarding users for staying fit. The target audience here? Professionals and fitness-conscious users. The business model is a mix of subscription and insurer commission. The market is huge, over $20 billion in the digital health insurance space. And the profit margin is between 15 and 28%. Investment required is medium to high. Ayushman Bharat and the Arday Sandbox are enablers here, making all of this possible. Idea number 9 is a wealth tech platform designed especially for women. Only a fraction of Indian women actually invest independently. This platform aims to change that by offering investment advisory, tools, and education, all tailored specifically for women. The target audience here is urban women and homemakers. The business model is based on subscriptions and advisory fees. And get this, the market size is over $200 billion in untapped wealth. Profit margins are pretty solid too, ranging from 18 to 32%. The investment required is medium. And backed by NSRCL's Women's Startup Program, this is a high-impact niche to explore. Idea number 10 is a neobank for freelancers and creators. Right now, gig workers, influencers, and remote professionals are pretty underbanked. This neobank would offer custom features for things like income tracking, invoicing, and payments. The target audience includes freelancers, YouTubers, and digital nomads. The business model? Subscriptions, forex markup, and brand partnerships. The gig economy market is massive, over $457 billion. Profit margins are in the range of 20 to 30%. And, yeah, the investment required here is high. This is perfect for UX-focused fintech entrepreneurs, and it's backed by the Startup India Seed Fund. That wraps up our top 10 BFSI startup ideas for India. If any of these ideas sparked your interest and you're ready to go from idea to execution, our team at Market Research Universe, MRU, can help with real-time market research report, business plan and competitor analysis, financial forecasts, investor-ready pitch decks, business registration, go-to-market strategy. Get in touch and let's build your BFSI startup, smart, scalable, and future-ready.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.